Welcome back to another video. And yes, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my fluffy edges using LAIDBYJESS products. So keep watching if you want to learn how to do fluffy edges on your clients, or if you want to learn how to do fluffy edges on yourself, or if you just want to maintain your fluffy edges at home after you come from that appointment. So let's get into the video. First things first, I section out the edges. I make sure that I don't cut too much. I cut just enough, but if anything, if I cut too much, I could pluck it out, but I like to just do enough. So just watch the video closely. I'm not skipping it too much, so you guys can watch closely. And then I cut in a horizontal kind of way where like the front of the hair is a little shorter than the bottom. So as you can tell, that's how it looks. You can always go back and cut some more and adjust, so don't be too worried. Just make sure you're cutting with patience. The sideburns, just ask your client how they like it. Do you like them long? Do you like them big? And then from there on, you just know how to section. So sectioning, it's honestly something you just have to just kind of gauge, but just never take out too much hair. Just take out a very thin line of the pre-plucked section of the wig, bring it down, and then cut horizontal. Make sure the front is slightly shorter than the bottom. Remember, you can always go back in and cut. Now, everybody want to learn how to do fluffy baby hairs. I was gonna charge for this video, but YouTube, y'all got me to post this for free. If you guys want the stylish fluffy baby hairs that you see on my page, then you will have a separate video for that as well. If you don't have a baby hair curler, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure you get a baby hair curler from Amazon or from your local beauty supply store. I've had this one for a minute. I think it's like the brand Kiss. And just make sure you are curling going down when you want that fresh, neat, just swooped in baby hair. Y'all gonna get what I mean in a second. I don't know how to really explain it, but yeah. So here I am sectioning the other side, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna let you guys watch, and I'm gonna come back in a second. I just had to intervene. Stop using hard gel on your edges. It's just, don't use hard gel on your edges. The sticky little stick. No. If you want the fluffy look, you want the natural look. I like the clean hair look. Don't get me wrong, but I don't like the super neat gel down installs. I like my installs to look natural, clean, but like a little messy touch to it, just like an actual natural human hair. So that's how I like my installs, and that's how I give my clients that install look. So let's get into the video. Let's get into the molding part, because I got a lot to say about this part. You guys need to pay attention. I'm giving you guys all the tea. So right here, I'm using the LAIDBYJESS Glueless Mousse for this. You can shop this online. Link is in the bio. It's a product that is made very well and gets me the results every time. So here I am, just molding the baby hairs how I would like it. So as you can see, I'm using the edge brush, and I'm slightly combing the hair into the, like, kind of like placing it back into the hair, but molding it as I go, like kind of like in a C shape. So that's what I'm consistently doing. I'm going to keep applying more mousse till I'm having full control. I keep using my hand. As you can tell, I'm using either my index finger or my thumb to control the shape of the baby hair. Make sure that the trick is in your hands. The way you want to mold it is in your hands. If you want to make it bigger, you place your hand and use your edge brush to just comb it into the direction you would want, and just make sure all the hairs are in place, just so it's neat. And when it dries, you can comb it out and kind of like mold it how you would want it. Sometimes you don't get the look you want while it's wet, but definitely when it's dry, as long as you shaped it the way you want it, the product would dry up in place, and you could kind of style it after. So don't be stressed if when you have when you're applying the mousse, the baby hair don't look just as clean. Just get it to the best shape possible that you would like it, and you are good to go. So now we just did a simple look. This is how she wanted it. We did a simple look. Now I'm gonna do the other side, sit her under the dryer, and I'll be back to show you the finished results once she's all done. If you guys want a more detailed videos when it comes to baby hair, make sure you guys subscribe and do not miss any video. I want y'all to comment, give me more video ideas, ask me questions, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more content. So with this product, you kind of have to work slower a little bit. That's why some people kind of just prefer edge control sometimes. But if you like this process to be faster while still using the mousse process, you can also use a blow dryer while you're molding it. So it's much faster for you if you're in a rush. I'm just taking my time because I wanted to just demonstrate how if I'm not in a rush, how I would do it to get the best results. And yeah. She's out the dryer now, and I'm about to show you guys how it looks. Wow, see how fluffy, soft. Right here I'm just combing out the edges just to make sure it is soft. The baby hairs look clean, the hairs look in place, and also I did go ahead and trim it a little bit. I wasn't able to get that on camera, the camera had died, but just trim the ends if needed, just so it's not touching your client's eyebrows. This is how she wanted it, and I love it. It looks so natural. It looks so clean. If you guys want more tutorials on how to do the fluffy baby hairs and you guys have other requests, make sure you subscribe and comment below for more tutorials and more videos. Bye guys.